we like to get you familiar with all the components and how they put together. When you open the box, you're going to see a fan. And this is the frame, this is the blower thing. It's going to be loose like that, so don't worry, that's not broken, that's the way. It's because it's not assembled. You have a motor, you have a control box, and some screws for mounting. This fan can be pulled out, okay, and this bushing here is made of silicone with a ball bearing inside. What you need to do is push this into this hole, and then the motor has a mounting thread. It's going to mount onto this neck. So what you do is push it through, and then push through the hole. When you push to here, it's going to be hard to screw down. So what you need to do is pushing a little farther until this goes to here. You don't see much gap. Then you start to turn the screw and until it's tight. Then make sure not each side is not touching the frame. So you may want to push it a little to the center. And then you should just turn it, see if it runs freely. If it's not freely, it probably something here is not threaded correctly. So what you need to do is loosen them up and retightening them. This is the control box. There's 4 screws. You need to loosen them out and screw them. I already unscrewed some, so it can open. And there's a switch, there's a light, there's a connector. So this whole thing is supposed to be going through here, like that, mounted on the wall. Then after that, you just connect this. This is polarized, so make sure there's a latch here. The latch should align with this one. So you'll just press in, and they're going to snap together. We can try see how this turns. We just press this in. Okay, already it was in on position. So when you turn on, turn off, it should run freely without too much noise. Another thing I want to mention is the cover of this. This cover is not there's a direction on it. You see this gasket, this has a longer edge, this is a shorter edge. So the shorter ones goes to the shorter lip. So that's how, if you push this way, you won't be able to put it in. So you need to push this direction. Here, and this is for mounting the fan and the control box. Okay. This long screw and the washers is for mounting the fan through this hole all the way to the wall. And this washer and this nut is going to screw here to mount the fan on the wall also. These 4 screws are for mounting this box. There's 4 small holes. So the screw is going through these holes and mounting to the wall. This screw is slightly different than other screw. It has a tip. This is a sheet metal tapping screw. It's a metric M3 thread, but it's a self-tapping. So you need to drill a hole slightly smaller than the screw, and then when you screw in, the screw is going to tap the metal wall. So the hole has to be slightly smaller than this, otherwise you will not be able to hold the box.